Now let's proceed to the second property. And that property is opposite angles are congruent. Again, in this parallelogram, there is a given angle here, which is angle A, 3x plus 10, angle C, 5x minus 20 degrees. So what we're going to do is to find what is x, angle A, and angle C. Now, we have to understand, since opposite angles are congruent, itong angle na to ay equal dapat sa angle C. So, angle A is equal to angle C. Since we have the value or the expression of angle A, that is equal to 3x plus 10. And then angle C would be 5x minus 20 from the given. What we're going to do is, again, we have to combine similar term. So yung 5x, we just transpose it to the left side of our equation, or nag-subtract tayo ng 5x both sides, kaya nagkaroon ng negative 5x dito. And then, on the right side, we have negative 20. Combining the terms na may x, 3x minus 5x, that is going to be negative 2x. Then, we just bring it down, and that is equal to negative 20. Again, we have to transpose 10 to the right side of the equation to make it negative 2x equals negative 20 minus 10. Simplifying negative 20 minus 10 will give us negative 30. Dividing both sides by 2 will give us x equals negative 30 divided by negative 2. That is going to be x equals 15. And we just find the x, which is 15. The next thing that we need to do is to find the angle A. What is angle A? Angle A is equal to 3x plus 10 from the given. Ito po yun. Okay? So the next thing is we just substitute the x here. So we have 3 times 15 plus 10. That is going to be equal to 45 plus 10. When you add them, 45 plus 10, that is 55 degrees. So the angle A here is equal to 55 degrees. Now, looking for the angle C. Angle C is 5x minus 20. Substituting or plugging in the x, which is 15, it will become 5 times 15 minus 20. Simplifying 5 times 15, that is 75 minus 20, and that is equal to 55 degrees as well. Okay, as you can see, the angle A is 55, okay, and the angle C is 55. What did we observe here? Opposite angles, the angles A and angles C, are equal or congruent. Okay, and that's the property number 2. Opposite angles are congruent.